Assalamu alaikum. In this video I am going to show you how to add bill of materials and balloons in SolidWorks drawings. Press Ctrl plus N and select drawings. After a few seconds another option window will appear. From this window select your page size. Now press OK to continue. From here click on Browse and import your SolidWorks model for drawings. Now press OK. Click on the model again and select View Orientation from here. From here you can select the shades of your model and then press OK. To add bill of materials, right click on the screen and then scroll down. In the table option select bill of materials. Now click on the model. A new window on the left side of the screen will appear. Modify or change the settings if you need and then press OK. A bill of material table will be generated moving along with your mouse. Place it at your desired location. You can also change the size of rows and columns manually. This is how the size of rows and columns would be changed. If you want to change the view orientation of your model, click on the model and then select any view orientation. To add balloons, click on the balloon button in the Assembly tab. From here select the balloon type and text and other settings. Now click on the parts one by one to generate balloons. Now press OK to finish it. If you want to edit any text, click on that text. Now click on the file name and select text. Change it from here. Thanks for sparing time, take care and don't forget to subscribe.